Today, I'm putting the top 5 ceramic spray waxes to the test to find out which one actually gives you the best protection and shine for your car. I've tested all 5 of these on different panels, and honestly, the results surprise me. Some of these perform way better than their price tag suggests, while others, well, let's just say the hype doesn't always match reality. I've got links to all of these products down in the description below, so make sure to check those out. Let's jump right in. Starting off with the Chemical Guys HydroSpeed Ceramic Wax. This one comes in a 16-ounce bottle and runs around 12 to 15 bucks, which is pretty affordable. Now, I've been using Chemical Guys products for a while, and this one caught my attention because they claim up to a year of protection with proper maintenance. So I sprayed this on a clean panel, and right away, the application is super easy. It goes on smooth, wipes off without any streaking, and the water beading, man, it's impressive. Like, immediately after buffing it off, I hit it with some water and it just rolls right off. The gloss boost is noticeable too. It's not dramatic, but your paint definitely looks wetter and deeper. What I really like about this one is how versatile it is. You can use it on paint, glass, wheels, trim, basically anywhere on your car's exterior. I tested it on my headlights and it worked perfectly, no fogging or residue. And for the price, you're getting professional grade performance. The pros: it's super affordable, the water beading is excellent, it works on multiple surfaces, and the application process is foolproof. Cons? Well, while they say it lasts up to a year, in real-world conditions with regular washing, you're probably looking at more like 2 to 3 months before you need to reapply. Also, if you don't buff it off quickly enough, you might see some light streaking but nothing major. Again, links to all these products are in the description if you want to grab any of them. All right, let's move on to number 2, the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wax. This is the budget king right here at around 15 bucks for 16 ounces. And with over 28,000 ratings on Amazon, it's clearly a crowd favorite. I was honestly skeptical at first because of the price point, but Turtle Wax really delivered here. The spray pattern is nice and even, and it buffs out super easily. One thing I really appreciate is that you can apply this in direct sunlight, which is a game changer if you are detailing in the summer. Most ceramic products will streak like crazy in the sun, but this one handles it just fine. The water beading is solid, not quite as aggressive as the Chemical Guys, but still really good for the price. They claim minimum 6 months of protection, and based on my testing over the past few weeks, I'd say that's pretty accurate. The shine is nice too, gives you that mirror-like finish without any weird rainbow effect or residue. Let's talk pros. Best value for money. Hands down, can be applied in direct sunlight. Safe for all exterior surfaces, including glass and trim. And it's got that massive review base, so it's proven. The cons are pretty minor. The protection doesn't last quite as long as premium options, and you'll need to reapply more frequently if you want to maintain that peak performance. But honestly, for 15 bucks, I'm not complaining. Now let's see how the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax stacks up. This is the 26-ounce spray bottle, running about $20 to $22. Meguiar's is known for making beginner-friendly products, and this one lives up to that reputation. Here's what's wild about this one. You literally spray it on as you're rinsing your car. Like after you wash your car, before you dry it, you just spray this on and then rinse it off again with a strong stream of water. No rubbing, no buffing, just spray and rinse. I was skeptical, but it actually works. The water helps spread it evenly across the paint. The CO2 technology in this creates a really slick surface. After applying it, my hand just glides across the paint. The water beading is excellent, and it's totally residue-free on trim and plastic, which is huge because some ceramic sprays will leave white marks all over your black trim. Pros for this one: easiest application method I've ever used, no residue on non-painted surfaces, great water beading, and you get 26 ounces, so it lasts a while. The cons: it's a bit more expensive per ounce than the Turtle Wax. And if you want maximum durability, you'll need to reapply every couple months. Also, that spray and rinse method uses more product than traditional wipe-on applications. But yeah, if you're new to ceramic coatings or you just want something ridiculously easy, this is probably your best bet. Moving on to the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat Wax. This is a 3-in-1 product, which means it's supposed to work as a car wax, waterless wash, and ceramic coating all in one. It's 16 fluid ounces and costs around 16 to 20 bucks. Plus, it's made in the USA, which is cool. Now, I tested this primarily as a ceramic coating, but I also tried the waterless wash function on a lightly dusty panel. As a ceramic coating, it performs really well. The application is straightforward and it leaves a nice glossy finish with good water repellency. The hydrophobic effect kicks in immediately. What's interesting about this one is the versatility. If your car's just got some light dust, you can spray this on, wipe it off, and you're cleaning and protecting at the same time. That's pretty convenient for maintenance between full washes. It works on cars, trucks, bikes, SUVs, basically anything. Pros. The 3-in-1 functionality is genuinely useful, not just a gimmick. It saves time if you're doing quick touch-ups. The ceramic protection is solid, and the gloss enhancement is noticeable. Made in USA is a bonus for some people. Cons, as a waterless wash, it's not going to replace a proper wash if your car is actually dirty. Also, because it's trying to do three things, it's not quite as specialized as dedicated ceramic sprays. The durability is decent, but not the longest lasting in this lineup. So, yeah, if you want an all-in-one product for quick detailing sessions, this is worth considering. Last up, we've got the Ethos Resist Graphene Spray Coating Ceramic Wax. This is 16 ounces and runs around $25 to $30, making it the most expensive on this list. But here's the thing, it's not just ceramic, it's graphene infused. Graphene is supposed to be the next generation of paint protection. It's stronger, more flexible, and conducts heat better than traditional ceramic coatings. When I applied this, the first thing I noticed was how slick the surface gets, like crazy slick. Water doesn't just bead off, it literally sheets off in one motion. The gloss is also on another level. It's got this deep, wet look that makes your paint look almost liquid. I tested this on a black car and the depth and clarity were insane. If you're chasing that show car finish, this delivers. Application-wise, it's still easy. Spray on, wipe off, done. But you definitely want to work in smaller sections because this stuff hazes up quick. The durability seems promising too, though I haven't had it on long enough to test the full lifespan. Pros. Next-gen graphene technology, extreme hydrophobic performance, incredible gloss and depth, and the water sheeting action is genuinely impressive. Cons? It's the most expensive option here, almost double the price of some others. And if you don't work quickly, it can be slightly harder to buff off than traditional ceramic sprays. If budget's not a concern and you want cutting-edge protection with maximum shine, this is the one. For best overall value, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. You can't beat that performance for 15 bucks. For easiest application, Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax. That spray and rinse method is unbeatable for beginners. For best all-around performance, Chemical Guy's HydroSpeed. Great balance of price, protection, and versatility. And for maximum shine and protection, Ethos Resist Graphene. If you want the absolute best results, this is it. Hopefully this helped you figure out which ceramic spray wax is right for your car. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these or if you've got questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.